Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this before and after Instagram Reel video edit on CapCut PC. So I'll just select this video and I'll just select the 9x16 one so that I can upload it as a reel. So we are going to copy and paste this video. And on the second one, you're just going to adjust the video to your liking. For instance, you want to make it a little bit bluer, a little bit greener as well, and you want to make the saturation pop a little bit. Make it a little bit brighter. Add in contrast. You can even add in filters to it if you'd like to. Maybe the Green Lake one. Maybe this one. It's totally up to you what you want to add to it. Then once you're done, you're just going to select the video section, go to mask and select the horizontal one. And I'll just rotate it this way. Add a keyframe here, and then in the middle or at the end, you're just going to drag it to the end like so. If you want to, you can also add in like a line. So go to background and like add in the stock video. I'll just like adjust it and then I'll freeze frame that. Then I'll add it here. Go to mask and select mirror. And you're just going to make a line. Let's actually just put it here. I'm going to add a keyframe and I'm going to place it to the very right. Then here I'm going to take it and I'm going to place it to the very left. So it follows the video. Maybe I'll just grab that and place it here. Okay. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If the line's not accurate, just use the keyframe to kind of adjust it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.